That's turkey.
All right, so if you want to hatch your own chickens or turkeys, whatever it may be, this is our Matacoop X. You can actually look at it. I have the temperature. I just took this off, so it's kind of messed up right now, but you can set your temperature, your humidity, and then set the number of days until hatch. So right now we have turkey eggs inside here. It does have an auto turner. We're going to hold this button down, turn on our candler. We're going to candle a turkey egg. Now how you do this is it goes down when it's inside the turner. We're going to flip it back up like this, fat side down, going for the light. And see if we have a turkey. Look at that. You can see the blood vessels, you can see the movement. So that is a viable turkey. I'm going to try another one. There's another one. See the movement in there? And how dark this is. It'll be clear. You'll see some things. I'm gonna see if maybe we have one that is fresher. Yeah, so see this one? So how it's clear. Now this is actually the line. Chances are this one is actually dead. So that line is a blood vessel. When you get that line like that, how it's kind of a circle, typically that's because it detached. You can see this is where the yolk is. It should be over there. So this one is not going to be viable. Let's see another one. Good example. Here we go. You can see how red this one is. This one and the one before were just around the same time. But you can see our blood vessels around here. And then we have a dark spot around here. This one is not as old as this one. Oh yeah, you're like right up on it now. And then we got one more. Look at that. That's turkey. So of these 5 eggs that we had, 4 of them are good. This other one didn't make it. That's what that line was. It was from when I'm saying embryo, I don't believe that's correct, detached. So you get that line, which tells you that it's no longer a viable egg. But yeah, we got 4 of these are royal palms, so hopefully we get some good royal palms that hatch out of this and we can start breeding them with some other color genetics and see what we get out of it. Enjoy Homestead.